Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created a new JFrame for this new buyer page. You can see here. If you have not seen that video, just go to the description and check out the link. Okay. In this video, I'm going to create for update by part of my billing management system project. So let's start. Let me first close this application. Now, the first thing we need to create a new JFrame here. So for that, we need to click on new, moving to the JFrame form and clicking on it. Okay, now renaming it as update buyer. Okay, click on finish. Now our form has been created. Now let me increase the sizes to 600 comma 450. Okay, and the first thing we are removing the min, max and close button from this form. Okay, so I just need to click on this, and after that we have also need to set the location where this form will be visible. Okay, so for that, first for the x-axis 380 and for the y-axis we are setting 160. Okay, clicking on OK. Let me close this now. Now first we need to insert a GIF here. The name of GIF is, you can see, update buyer. Okay, update buyer. Let me search. That one is the animation with GIF. Update buyer. Here you can see that update buyer ANI. Okay, let me close this and let me remove this label name and let me check out the, okay, this is perfect, and little bit making it to center. Now again we are needing getting another one label, and here I just need to insert the icon. Okay, so update buyer, this one icon. Just let me close this. Let me remove the label name here and placing it here right now. Okay, now we need a separator here. Okay, for that we are moving to the menu bar. Okay, swing menu bar. Okay, after that we are increasing the size to first 208, and after that we are increasing to the 580. Okay, now next part is we are taking a label here for contact number. We are renaming it as contact number. We are searching any user by its contact number. Okay, now after that we need a text field for that. Okay, here I'm just inserting a text field. Let me read this text, remove this, and increasing the size to 150. And after that we need a button here. Okay, let me increase the size of this to making it bold 14. Okay, making it as bold 14. Okay, close this, and one by one we are also increasing the size of this, making it as bold 14 also. Okay, close this, and let me read text. And this one is button for the search. Okay, let me read this text. Search, RCH. Okay, search. And we also need to insert the icon in it. So for that we are using search icon. You can see search PNG. You can see. Now we need another separator here. Separator. Okay, let me place here it. Now we increasing the sizes to 580. Okay, now the next thing is we need to design the fields to display data. So for that we are taking, first we are taking name, and after that we are taking the next level is for contact number. Okay, we also display the contact number so that we can, okay, again change to that. So let me read this text again. Contact number, and the next level is for email address. Okay, and the next level is, okay, the next level is for address. okay, and the last level is for the gender. Edit text gender, okay, and for this we need fields. So one by one we are inserting the field here. Field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, and at last field 6, okay. Now let me increase the size of the label first. We are making it as bold 14. Right click on this, going to the properties, and here I just need to select the font size, and here just need to select size, okay, and I'm also increasing the text field size, okay, making it as bold 14. In the previous video I just show you how to add placeholder. In the same way you can add for this page, okay. If you have not seen my previous video, just go to the description of this video and check out the link, okay. And you need this icon, just go to description and I already provided the link. You can directly download it from there. Let me one by one increase it to 250, and let me read this text and remove the text from these fields. Let me read this text, remove this one by one. We're removing from field 4, 5, and the last one is 6, okay. After that we need a separator again here to separate this form, okay. Let me increase the size to this and 580. Now we need here 3 buttons. The first button is to update, and for that we are using, okay, let me read this text, update, okay. And the next button is for the reset. Let me write reset, okay. And the last button is for the close this application. Let me write this close, okay. Now okay, we did not make it as bold 14, okay, I just forget this, okay. And for this button we also need to make it as bold 14, bold 14, okay, close, okay. One by one we are inserting icons for this. The icon number first we need to save, so I'm using update, you can say, but we are using the save icon. And for the reset we are using reset icon. And for the close there is a close JFrame icon, close JFrame icon, see, okay. Now let me move a little bit the center and let me check out the size is perfect. Now we all have to insert an image in the background. So for that first need to right click on this form, and you have to change this layout to the absolute layout. You can see, just actually change this to, and after that we have to insert a label here, and just right click on this, going to the properties. After that we have to insert, so for here you can get the all page image, you can see, and after that we have to place it perfectly for that form, and double click on the form image, you can say that background image, and just remove the label name, okay. And little bit move this from this side, this, okay. Now our form has been created. The first thing, our front end has been created. Now we have to write the code in the back end. So first we are writing the code in the close button. So for that we are setting the visibles false, set visible, here we are setting set visible false, okay. Now the next, for the reset, and for the reset we are writing here, first thing we are setting the visible here, okay. Here I'm just setting the visible false, and here I'm just writing new update by dot set visible true, okay. Now we have to search, okay. Let me click on this. After that we need to search. So for that first we need to import in the previous video I just created this database and I inserted one row in it, or you can see one detail. So let me select this buyer table. Okay, you can see that the got up my name. You can see the contact number 12345678890, and you can see the email address, and you can see the gender. Okay, so let's start. First we need to import. Okay, after that java.sql.strict. Okay, after that we have to import project package connection provider class. In the previous video I just explained you about the project package and connection provide class in it. And after that we have to move to the button one. Okay, can G button action. Okay, now first thing we have to take the contact number. Okay, J text field, we are taking it one, and get texture. Okay, and after that we are using try catch here to suppress the exception of OCH. Okay, suppress the exception. Okay, now here we have to write connection con equals to connection provider, you can see dot get con. Okay, after that creating connection we have to take a statement st equals to con dot create statement in it. After that we have to take result set rs. Okay, we have to select, that's why we are using result set, and execute query we have to write, and we have to select it by contact number. Okay, so for that we have to select a star from buyer, the table name is buyer. Okay, and where contact number equals to, here we have to write contact. Okay, contact number. Okay, now we have to display all the details. Okay, so for that we are using rs dot next. If that one contact number exists in our database, then if rs.next will be executed. In that case we have to just to set the values in it. So for that, just writing jtextfield.text. Here I'm just writing rs.get string here, string, and here just writing you can see here I'm just writing one column one. Here you can see the first column is for name, so in the field 2 it will display the name. Here this one is our field 2. Okay, and the same way we are writing for the others. J field 3 set text, and here I'm just writing rs dot get string. Okay, and here I'm just writing 2. Okay, just let me copy this so that we cannot need to write it again and again. Okay, now one by one we are going to change this. 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and if condition is completed, in case like the user does not exist, or you can say contact number does not exist in database, so in that case we are also showing an pop-up message dot show message here, and I am just setting null, and here I'm displaying the message contact ID does not exist. I'm writing. Okay, now let me move a little bit down, and in this you can write any exception will be generated. For that case I'm writing goption.show message here dialog. I'm just setting null, and exception will be displayed. Now the search part is completed. Now we have to update. So for that we need to move to the event action performed. Okay, and here we have to write in the button 2. So now we have to take the data from that field. So for that we have to declare the variable, the string. First we are taking contact number. Okay, contact number 1 we are taking here, just renaming it as, and we are taking the field. Okay, one thing I did not do there, that we are setting this field to the field number 1 we are setting we cannot edit that. Okay, so we are setting set editable, we are setting false here. Okay, whenever we want to edit after the search, it will be, we cannot edit that. Okay, so that's why we set it to jtext field set editable false. Okay, now here I'm just writing get string and get oh sorry, we have to write get string, get text, sorry. Okay, after that we have to select get name string name. Okay, j text field, we are taking it from field 2 and get text here, and the same way we are writing for the other string contact number, we are setting j text field to 3 here dot get text. Okay, and after that string email equal j text field 4 dot get text here. Okay, after this we have to write the, we have to taking another variable, that one is the address. For address I'm just writing and the 5 field and get text here we are taking. Okay, after that we have to take the gender. Okay, j text field we are taking 6 get text here, and we take all the variables. Now we have to insert this, or you can say we have to update this data in our database. Okay, catch, and here I'm just writing exception E, and this. Okay, and here first we need to connection. Okay, connection con equals to connection provider get con. Okay, let's see, there's a method present in connection provider class get con. Okay, after that we have to create statement. Okay, st con dot create statement. Okay, now st dot execute update, we need to execute update here. Okay, and in update we have to write update date, and here we have to write data table name update by set name equals to, okay, plus, and here we have to write name. Okay, one by one we are going to do for all, making a little distance. Okay, contact number. Okay, we are taking here contact number. Okay, after contact number we are going for the email. Okay, email. Okay, in the same way we are taking for the address and gender. Okay, the next one is for the address, and the next one is for gender. Okay, after that we have to write where contact, okay, the contact number is matched. We have to match with the contact number we are taking, that one, okay, this one, contact number one we are matching with. And after that we have to just move to the next line. This one is completed. Now here we have to update, okay, updated. And after that we have to display pop-up message dot show message that successfully updated. So I'm just setting null, and here I'm just writing successfully updated. Okay, after that we have to set the new visible. First we are hiding this page. Okay, so we are setting here the false, and setting the new visible is same page, update bar dot set visible. Okay, we have to write true, and if any exception is generated, in that case we are showing this joption dot pan dot show message. Okay, look here, null I'm setting, and here I'm just showing the exception. And we also need to connect this, our backend is also completed, so we also need to connect this page with our home page. So for that we are moving to the design, and here I just need to right click on this and moving to the event action performed. Okay, now here we have to write new update by dot set visible. We are setting here true. Okay, now let me run this file and let me show you that our update wire part has been completed of this project. We click on this update wire. Okay, you can see our form has been opened. Now I'm here entering the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let me search this. Okay, this ID is not exist, so I guess I just write here. Okay, let me write this. This one is our ID. You can see that when we click on search, you can see it display all the details of this mobile contact number. Okay, and like I just want to change this name, so I'm just removing Kumar, I'm just setting Singh. Okay, and when we click on this update button, you can see, okay, this showing there's an error occur. Okay, let me close this application, let me close this. Okay, let me go to the update, and we have to check the query because we are getting error here. Okay, here I just missed this. Okay, here you can see that. Let me run this again. Okay, let me run this file. Okay, let me go to the update buyer details. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, let me search this and let me remove this, and I'm just writing Sing, updating on this. You can see a pop-up message here, successfully updated. When I click on OK, all the fields data has been removed. Let me show you. You can see that, and you can also remove the data by this. You can see clicking on reset button, you can see it's working. Now let me also show you, when we successfully search any, then this field is disabled. Not, we cannot edit this. You can see multiple time I'm clicking on it, but I'm not able to do anything. But when you click on once here, you can see we can write here. Okay, and there's a close button. When you click on close, it will close this form. Okay, so this is all about update buyer. So in the next video I'm going to show you for buyer details. Okay, so stay tuned with us. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.